sweet life, sweet life.
Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be making these bridal shower chocolate covered banana pops. And please excuse my bananas, guys. I have been wanting to make these for a few days when my bananas were actually ripe, and I just didn't have the time to make this video. So I'm making it now, even though my bananas are not the freshest. If I was to remake these, I would use bananas that were not all the way ripe, that were kind of green. So what I'm doing is inserting popsicle sticks into each of these bananas, and then these are going to go into the freezer. I'm actually going to a bachelorette party, and I was in charge of bringing a dessert, of course. And so I'm testing out these. I just thought they would be cute for a bachelorette party, so I'm testing this out. So while the bananas are in the freezer, we're going to get our chocolate almond bark into a cup, and then we're going to get about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, and then into the microwave this will go. Okay, my almond bark was in the microwave for about 40 seconds, but I did break it up into like 10 to 15-second intervals. And this is the consistency that you want. You want a nice, smooth, milky consistency. And so now we're going to get our bananas out of the freezer. They were in the freezer for about 20 minutes. And then we're going to dip those into our almond bark. Now, when I was doing this step, I realized that maybe I should have stuck my stick into the chocolate first and then into the banana, because some of them slid a little bit. So when I do make these for the bachelorette party, I will stick the stick in chocolate first, and then I will stick it into the banana. Only one of them was like sliding off the stick, but that would be an issue that you would run into if you don't actually put chocolate onto your popsicle stick. And so I'm just taking my bananas and I'm just dipping them in the chocolate, and I realize I don't have enough chocolate in my cup. You probably want to almost fill your cup up because these bananas are long. And so I'm just going to use my butter knife to kind of cover up the tip of that banana where the stick is inserted, because as you know, when bananas are exposed to air, they start turning brown, and we want to completely seal that chocolate in. So I'm just using a butter knife to just seal it in. You can just put more chocolate in your cup, so it actually goes all the way down. So I'm going to put these back into the fridge for about 5 minutes, and then I have some pink glitter, I have some pink heart sprinkles, and then I have some pink chocolate in my piping bag. And I'm just doing a drizzle like diagonal across 2 of them, and I'm going to get some of that pink glitter down onto those, go down the whole entire banana. And then on the other 2, I'm just gonna get drizzle in the middle, and I'm gonna get those pink heart sprinkles onto those. I love actually the way these came out. When I do them for the bachelorette, I probably will add more design, but I wanted them to be kind of simple. And I'm actually going to add pink ribbon to these as well. So I just think that the light pink and then the chocolate, I love chocolate brown and light pink together. I just think they're really cute, and they kind of, simulate like adult themed pops without being, too over the top, too vulgar. So I love the way these actually turned out. And so these are the pink bows that I made just out of some pink ribbon that I got from Walmart, and I'm just using my lighter to burn the ends. That's where I cut the ribbon, and it's kind of like tattered at the end, and so I just use my lighter to actually like seal the end of it so there's no loose strings hanging. And then I made those bows with twisty ties. They're not actually tied in a knot. And so I'm gonna end up cutting the additional pieces of the twisty ties off. And then I'm gonna use my hot glue gun to glue my bows to the stick. We're gonna glue them to the stick, not the actual bananas, guys. We're gonna glue hot glue on the back of the bow and then place it onto the stick. And there we have it, guys. This is how our banana pops turned out. How cute are these? They are so cute and classy, but yet still bachelorette themed, so I love them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and consider subscribing. Bye.
Sweet life, a sweet, sweet